A few moments later.
Welcome back to the homestead, everyone. It's a beautiful day today. As you just saw, I filled up the beast, so let's get to work. We're wasting daylight here. I have everything moved around in places it's going to be out of the way for a while. So let's get the beast to work. Today's project is to do a little burn. As you can see, I got a big fire going, and this is what I'm burning up over here. This whole big brush pile. It's bigger than my last one I burnt, so it's gonna take a while. I don't know how well you can see that, but it is huge. Fire's going really well today. I can't tell you how many loads with the excavator I've dumped on here today. A lot, but let me show you the pile over here. This pile used to come out to right about in this area, and it was as high as a knuckle on the excavator up here. So I've put a huge dent in this pile already, but the pile is huge though. I'm gonna let that burn down a little while, and I'll catch back up with you guys here in an hour or two. How big of a stack I have here. I loaded it up with the beast, and before long it's gonna be an inferno. It's the next morning, and it's another beautiful day here on the homestead. Let's go and check out the fire, see what's left from last night. I burned a lot of brush yesterday. Look at that pile in the middle. That pile is pushing 3 feet tall of ash and stuff like that. Let me jump in the beast. I'm gonna come over, stack some of this up, and then I'm gonna add more to it and get this day going. I'm gonna use the beast and pile a lot more brush on this fire, so I'll catch back up with you guys after that. While the fire's burning, I'm gonna shift gears and do something else. Let me show you what it is. I need to rearrange my log pile here. I'm gonna cut them all into 20-foot lengths. There's a lot of them are longer than 20 feet. So I'm gonna cut them all in 20-foot lengths. And then I'm gonna stack them like right back in here, nice and neat. And the reason I'm doing that is so I can get that log pile brought over here also and combine them into one big log pile. So let's get after it and quit wasting daylight.
Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old. They know that we're causing it wrong. Got me let go.
Right away, so let's get busy and get this done. I got this side done, and now I got to get these two over there parallel with these two. That way I can just drive right in, drop the logs in the back, and just fill it up coming from the back to the front. So let's get these other two logs situated. My GoPro camera shut off because it was getting too hot, so I'm not sure how much of it you actually caught. So let me show you what I got done. I got 2 logs on this side and 2 logs on this side. It is sloping a little bit down that hill, so I did put the 2 bigger logs down on this side to try to level it out a little bit, but I know it's still sloping some, but it doesn't matter here. And they're approximately the same distance apart, and that's probably 30 to 40 feet back to that one tree. So I'm gonna just start cutting all the logs into 20-foot lengths and laying them right across here. I'll catch back up with you guys here in a second. I was just getting started cutting these logs into 20-foot lengths and sorting them out when I got a text message from Adam from Alaska Cut the Cord. He got my saw fixed and he's on his way over here. So once he gets here, we'll go and check out the saw. Adam and Phyllis from Alaska Cut the Cord showed up with my chainsaw.
Yeah.
It's right there.
Yeah, so we got her all done. There was one broken off exhaust bolt that was heat treated to about 60 Rockwell, and I machined it out with carbide, retapped it. Should be good to go now.
Excellent. So
yep.
I'm looking forward to putting this thing to work.
Yeah.
I got a little 211.
Oh.
The bar is real short, so it's kind of hard cutting down these big trees around here. So I need my big saw back.
Yep. Yeah, should work good for a lot of years, and it's a heck of a lot cheaper than putting a new jug on it.
Yeah, a lot cheaper.
So yeah, perfect.
Awesome. Well, thank you, Adam.
Yep, you're welcome.
Thank you, Phyllis.
Oh, I had nothing to do with it. That was all Adam.
Well, emotional support for Adam.
Yes, there you go. I need a lot of that.
Great. And I'll catch back up with you guys here in a minute. That's going to wrap up this video. Thanks for watching, everyone.